What's good to the tribe? It's Wanaghi. You know I'm coming back again, dropping off another series, P Valley. Which the P stands for, I don't even want to say. I'll let you guys look it up. But definitely a good series. My wife V put me on it. One thing about this series, it's not for children at all. It's an adult series, just for adult eyes. Parents, grandparents, whoever chooses to watch it. It's based in Mississippi. It's based off a strip club that's in Mississippi. And in this clip I'm finna show, it kind of shows them talking in a restaurant. And before I get to the clip, I can only show the audio. I really want you guys to hear it, so I can't show the visual because it's by stars. But they're in this restaurant, and they're talking, and this older guy kind of chimes in, giving history on Choctaw with the mounds, and what they used to do with a stick at these mounds. So my question is, how did he get the story? Who passed it down to him? Was it his parents or his grandparents? But let's get it.
What, you think I won't understand?
No. I actually think you would. But I'm not at liberty to speak on confidential matters, so.
Got it.
Y'all sure is a cute couple there. Where y'all staying at?
Oh, we're not
staying long. Just passing through. Done with our sightseeing for today.
Niggas always want to do Highway 61 trail. But Robert Johnson shack got washed away 60-some years ago. Ain't shit to see. You want to see some history? Go to the Mound.
Oh yeah, my grandmama used to take me there when I was little.
Well, she might have took you there, but did she tell you the story? Two Choctaw brothers walking their people down south in search of new land. Well, every night when they set up camp, they would plant a stick in the ground. And whichever way it was pointing, the next morning, that's the direction they go. They did that night after night, over and over, for 100 years. Anytime one of them died, they carried them on their back. Can you imagine dragging death on your back like that? One morning they got up and they saw their stick was pointing straight up. And that was all she wrote. They laid down their bones and made a home there. Well.
So put in the comments how you guys feel about the clip. Like we say, they're putting jewels in plain sight. And it's time to catch all of them. But I love you guys. Make sure you share, like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, hit the bell. Feathers up, tribe up, wise up, rise up.
I'm from the M. Ah, crooked letter, ah, crooked letter, ah, humpback, ah, make them all die.
Perfect.